everyone, it's Sonia and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to stimulate blackheads if they are hard to come out. Press on any blackhead with this tool in this way. And after that, press on the skin with this device so that if there is any fat or dirt, it will come out. After cleaning, moisturize the skin with a cold steam device. And dry with a towel after 2 minutes. You can see the skin dirt on the napkin. This is scrub that I made myself. I explained it how to do it in the description. And then massage a little and wipe. Do not apply any moisturizer or cream after scrubbing. As you can see, the skin of the nose is more shiny and smooth than the cheek. I hope you like this video. Comment your questions so that I can answer you. See you in the next video.